Whoa! Oh, how do you zoom in with this thing? I'm trying to figure out if we can zoom it. Whoa! Whoa! Man, there must be like 10,000 of them. Whoa! You know, that's not the same flock, right? Remember the one that just flew by us? It's on the other side of the building. That's a whole different flock.